Matera is a place where the past, present and future meet. In 1993, it was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and in 2019, it was selected as the European Capital of Culture, further increasing its popularity. Even the last James Bond film was shot there. The fact that Matera is a biblical-looking city constructed completely out of calcarenites is even more incredible. In other words, it was carved out of relatively soft volcanic sedimentary rocks that were simple to extract and cut. It has an ingenious system of caves, corridors, and reservoirs on the inside that allow water to be collected, resulting in a true underground city. You'll spend a lot of time in caverns in Matera. You'll sleep, dine, drink an aperitivo, and even see modern sculpture in a cave. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The ancient neighborhoods known as Sassi are a series of grottos carved out of limestone, teetering on the edge of a ravine. In the 1950s, when the inhabitants who lived in the grottos dug out of the mountain were forced to abandon those dwellings to settle in modern districts, no one would have ever thought that those grottos, the Sassi, would have become the symbol of a reborn city. Geologists call it calcarenite, and common folk refer to it as tuff. It's the rock surrounding Matera that this land's master craftsmen learned to work with in ancient times. Because this friable, flexible material is abundant in the city's dominant mountain, it seemed reasonable for Matera residents to go up there and dig out that rock to build a home. The excavated material was used to construct the dwelling's facade. After the first home, others were built until there was a network of houses, tunnels and alleyways passing over and in each other to become that magic place called Sassi, a gigantic sculpture, a miracle of town planning that has been recognized as a World Heritage Site. Several efforts to restore them have been attempted since then. A visit to the Sassi now is a real trip into these people's past. This city is one of the most unusual and gorgeous spots you'll visit in southern Italy. Despite the fact that visitor numbers have increased and many of the caves have been converted into elegant hotels and restaurants, Matera maintains its hidden charm and attracts significantly fewer visitors than the cities further north.